students, welcome back to online learning of mathematics. Last online lecture we have learned index form of a number, laws of indices and practice set 3.1. Today, let us learn meaning of number with rational indices. So, to understand this, first let us see few examples. In the first example, that is 2 raised to 5, here number 2 is the base and the number 5 is the index. So we will write this as fifth power of 2. In the next example, it is 3 raised to 6 means sixth power of 3. Now, in the third example, it is 4 raised to 2. Here, the index is 2. That means what? It is square of 4. Or you can even write it down as second power of 4. In all these examples, our index was a natural number. Now, let us see few examples where our index is a rational number of the form 1 upon n. In the first example, that is 3 raised to 1 upon 8. Here, my index is 1 upon 8. That is, in the denominator, the number is 8. Therefore, it is 8th root of 3. In the second example, that is 5 raised to 1 upon 2. So here in the fraction 1 upon 2, my denominator is 2. Therefore, it is square root of 5. Now, in the third example, that is 9 raised to 1 upon 3 means it is cube root of 9. Now, let's learn meaning of numbers with rational indices. In this, we will learn the meaning of numbers having index in the rational form m upon n. So, when our index is of the form m upon n, we can express the number in two forms. So, in the first one, that is a raised to m upon n, is written as a raised to m whole raised to 1 upon n. That means it is nth root of mth power of. Now, in the second one, that is a raised to m upon n, here is equal to a raised to 1 upon n whole raised to m. This means it's mth power of nth root of a. Now, Let us understand this with an example. In the first example, that is 8 raised to 2 upon 3 is equal to 8 raised to 2 whole raised to 1 upon 3. Here 1 upon 3 means it is cube root, and 8 raised to 2 means what? It is square. So 8 raised to 2 whole raised to 1 upon 3 is written as cube root of square of 8. In the second example, 8 raised to 2 upon 3 is equal to 8 raised to 1 upon 3 whole raised to 2. So, here number whole raised to 2 means it is square of 1 upon 3 means cube root of. So, you will read this number as square of cube root of 8. Now, see both the examples carefully. In both the example, the number is same. Only we are writing, that is, we are representing the same number in two different ways. In the first, we have written in the form root of power, and in the second, we have written in the form power of root. In next online lecture, we will learn practice set 3.2.